Hey friends, this is JB on JB's Man Cave. Today we're going to look at a bed in a box. This bed actually came in a box. It's a single bed. I think it's 5 inches thick. And it came in this small box. Here I am using a carpenter's knife to open a box. And when I stand it up on its side, you can see just how small the box is and how compressed the bed is. Basically, just opening up the bag and the box, and then it will inflate itself. You may be thinking, what's so interesting about this? Well, maybe in your area you have never bought a bed like this. Well, this is available online. I do have another video where I showed one that had springs in it that was compressed. This one doesn't have springs. It's just foam, but it's 3 densities of foam. And it is actually quite comfortable. It's not like the regular, just plain foam bed. It feels firm and nice. And look at what happens as I take out the first bit of plastic. Already you can see it's kind of expanding. And when I take off this second layer of plastic, it will expand even more. A bed like this will cost around $50, and if you include delivery, it could reach up to $80, and that might seem expensive depending on where you are from, but that's could be actually cheaper than a lot of beds. You can see how it's inflating. It's getting bigger. So the bed is actually like twisted in half, so I have to open it out. That's the bottom side, and the next side is the padded side, which is firm. So tell me what you think in the comments area.